Great Wall Motors' dedicated electric car brand Ora, Euler in China, will launch the Cat 01 small retro-style EV hatch in the UK in early 2022, while the company's Australian division is not yet confirming the right-hand drive budget EV will subsequently make it here. It has acknowledged the Ora brand is very much on the GWM Au roadmap. We'd expect that you should see the Ora Cat as soon as next year, potentially 2023, in GWM's still growing dealer network. Perhaps sold alongside the GWM Ute and Haval SUVs, though the precise retail strategy is not yet known. The two top-selling electric cars in Australia are already made in China: Tesla Model 3 and MG ZS EV, and 2022 will see the introduction of the BYD Yuan Plus EV crossover. BYD is the Ora brand was established in 2080, as one of a bewildering spread of Great Wall Motor sub-brands: GWM Utes, Haval SUVs, Way premium crossovers, named for owner and chairman Jack Way, Tank Luxury 4X4S, and Ora EVs. It makes numerous products with names that don't really translate all that well: Good Cat, Lightning Cat, Punk Cat. But the UK press indicates their markets models will simply use more palatable Ora Cat 01 branding. Presumably the Cat 02, Cat 03 etc. could follow. Ora 01 CAT, stylization retained, is a perfect combination of classic retro aesthetics and futuristic technology, which will bring unprecedented product experience to European users, GWM said at the Munich Motor Show last month. Backed by Warren Buffett and imported by Australian company Nexport. China market specs for the Ora Good Cat: the domestic name for the Ora Cat 01, which kicks off after Chinese subsidies at 103,900 yuan, 21,400 Australian dollars, and tops out at 160,900 yuan, 33,400 Australian dollars. It's 4,235 mm long on a 2,650 mm wheelbase, about bang on the same dimensions as a Volkswagen Golf 8, and weighs a fairly light 1,555 kilograms. It also sits on a bespoke electric-only architecture and uses McPherson strut, torsion beam suspension. The domestic market car's spec sheet shows numerous liquid-cooled lithium iron phosphate and ternary lithium batteries, with energy content between 48 kWh and 59 kWh and generous NEDC driving ranges of between 401 km and 501 km. WLTP figures are generally lower. The front drive motor in the base cars outputs 105 kilowatts and 210 Newton meters, bumped up to 126 kilowatts and 250 Newton meters in higher-end versions, which cuts the claimed 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time to 6.9 seconds. It's loaded with tech, too. It uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor and a Mobileye ADAS system, and runs the set of expected driver assist features: lane keeping aids, blind spot assistance, etc. The interior genuinely looks great, with 17.25-inch dual screens, over-the-air updates, and what look like some premium material choices. Bigger picture, Great Wall has a 50-50 partnership with BMW in China, and the two car makers are building a plant to make electric variants of BMW's Mini brand and Great Walls from 2023. Great Wall also claims to have invested more than RMB 500 million, 104 million Australian dollars, in the R&D of cobalt-free lithium batteries. A story from the South China Morning Post from, granted, nearly 2 years ago gives valuable insights into GWM's rationale here. Unable to compete with premium brands like Tesla, Chinese carmakers are vying for a growing share of the market for small electric vehicles, if they can make their products affordable, said Qian Kang, a Zhejiang-based entrepreneur in the car component business. GWM Australia is the country's fastest-growing brand, and we're now the company's #1 export market. In early 2022 it'll launch the Haval H6 hybrid to tackle Toyota's ubiquitous RAV4, but with segment-leading power and torque, and following this the Haval Big Dog and Tank 300 SUVs are highly likely. Demo cars are already in Melbourne.